This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. We are in our hostel, and they let their own hostel come here to attack our Muslim brothers who are there praying. This is really unacceptable. We are not going to accept this.
Good. Let us go. Police, let them go. They are going. They are running away. Police not arresting them. Everyone is running away. They broke everything. They broke everything. Now they are running away. They are not taking any action right now. This is a democratic country. This is a secular country.